the legacy finance systems teams have long trusted are reaching the end of their limits. They're unsupported, unmaintained, and unable to keep up. And out-of-maintenance platforms can't adapt to new standards, business restructuring, or sudden policy shifts. Holding on means falling behind, and that's just the start. Upgrading isn't a matter of if, it's when. CCH Tagetik is the modern replacement built for what's next. The CCH Tagetik intelligent platform gives your teams the tools to consolidate data faster, adapt to change with ease, and plan for the future. Here's why over 1,900 companies have chosen CCH Tagetik: seamless integration with SAP and other enterprise systems, no-code configuration for fast adaptation, unified workflows across all financial processes, built-in AI for data discovery and automation, functionality for evolving standards, from global accounting to ESG to tax, a future-ready roadmap that eliminates the need for another replacement, smooth, phased implementation with full training and support. For over 20 years, CCH Tagetik has helped finance teams lead with confidence and stay ahead of change. Won't you join them? Book your demo today.